Hello, medical students. Today, I will briefly discuss gallstones or cholelithiasis, an important and frequently encountered condition in general surgery. Gallstones form in the gallbladder due to an imbalance in the composition of bile. The primary types of gallstones are cholesterol stones, which account for approximately 80% of cases, and pigment stones, which are made up of bilirubin and calcium salts. The formation is often related to bile stasis, cholesterol supersaturation, or hemolytic disorders. Pathophysiology. The gallbladder stores bile, which plays a key role in fat digestion. When bile becomes supersaturated with cholesterol, crystal nucleation occurs, leading to stone formation. Additionally, impaired gallbladder motility can lead to bile stasis, further increasing the risk of stone development. Pigment stones are more common in patients with chronic hemolytic conditions such as sickle cell disease or in those with biliary infections. Clinical presentation. Patients may be asymptomatic, with stones incidentally found on imaging, or they may present with biliary colic, a sudden, intense pain in the right upper quadrant or epigastrium, often radiating to the right shoulder. The pain is usually triggered by fatty meals, lasting from 30 minutes to a few hours, and resolves spontaneously. Complications include acute cholecystitis, cholelithiasis, cholangitis, and pancreatitis, each presenting with distinct features that necessitate urgent intervention. Diagnosis. Ultrasound is the imaging modality of choice for diagnosing gallstones, with a sensitivity of 95%. Findings typically include echogenic foci with posterior acoustic shadowing within the gallbladder. Magnetic resonance cholangiopancreatography (MRCP) may be utilized to evaluate stones in the common bile duct. Laboratory tests may show normal values in uncomplicated cases, but leukocytosis or abnormal liver function tests suggest complications. Management. Asymptomatic gallstones generally do not require intervention. Symptomatic patients, however, should be managed with elective laparoscopic cholecystectomy, which is the standard of care. Early cholecystectomy is also indicated in acute cholecystitis. In cholelithiasis, an endoscopic retrograde cholangiopancreatography (ERCP) is often performed to remove stones from the common bile duct prior to surgery. Take-home message. Gallstones are a common cause of abdominal pain, and recognizing their symptoms and complications is crucial. Ultrasound is the gold standard for diagnosis, and timely intervention, whether elective or emergency, is key to avoiding complications. As future doctors, always consider the patient's overall risk factors and the clinical scenario when deciding on management, and remember that early identification can significantly impact patient outcomes. Thank you for watching and keep learning.